Welcome to our comprehensive guide on peace lily care. These stunning plants are beloved for their lush greenery and striking white flowers. Known scientifically as spathiphyllum, they are famous for air purification. Let's explore 11 essential tips to keep your plant healthy and thriving for years. Tip 1. Lighting. Peace lilies love bright, indirect light. Placing them near a window with sheer curtains is the perfect spot for consistent growth. Avoid direct sunlight at all costs. Harsh afternoon rays can easily scorch the delicate leaves, causing unsightly brown burn marks and weakening the plant. Tip 2. Watering. The most common mistake is overwatering. Always check the soil first. Use the top-inch dry rule to determine when to water. When the top inch feels dry to the touch, it is time for a drink. Use room temperature water to avoid shocking the sensitive root system. Tip 3. Understanding the drama. Peace lilies are famous for drooping dramatically when they are thirsty. Don't panic if your plant looks wilted. This is simply the plant's way of signaling for water. Once you give it a good soak, it will bounce back within a few hours. Tip 4. Humidity. As tropical plants, they crave moisture in the air. If your home is dry, especially in winter, use a misting spray. Alternatively, place your pot on a tray filled with pebbles and water. This creates a microclimate of humidity around the leaves as the water evaporates. Tip 5. Temperature stability. Keep your lily in a room between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. They are sensitive to cold drafts and sudden changes. Tip 6. Soil and drainage. Always use a well-draining, peat-based potting mix. This ensures the roots stay aerated and prevents the dreaded root rot. Ensure your pot has plenty of drainage holes. Standing water at the bottom of the pot is a quick way to kill a peace lily. Tip 7. Fertilizing. Feed your plant every 6 to 8 weeks during the spring and summer growing season using a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer. Tip 8. Cleaning the leaves. Dust can block sunlight and hinder photosynthesis. Gently wipe the large leaves with a soft, damp cloth once a month. Tip 9. Pruning and grooming. Use clean scissors to snip off any yellowing leaves or brown, spent flowers at the base of the stem. Tip 10. Repotting. When roots begin to poke through the drainage holes, it's time for a larger home. Repot every 1 to 2 years. Tip 11. Safety. While beautiful, peace lilies are toxic if ingested. Keep them on high shelves away from curious pets and small children. Follow these 11 tips, and your peace lily will reward you with clean air and stunning blooms. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.